So after posting any website, we can check the proper page count like Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal. So we can upload so many websites. We'll check the proper page count. So I'll select by here particular website. Go to Google. The syntax will be called site colon and your website.com. When check, see your total pages. How many pages? 2500. These are the search engine page results. Where? On particular southindianews.com. So same like I'll changing for, so we have idea about the Flipkart. So how many pages we have the Flipkart.com. See the page. 1 crore 41 lakhs pages. How many pages? 1 crore 41 lakhs. In this place, you can select any. Make my trip.com. Copy this. How many? 27 lakhs, 10,000 pages. Each and every page you can check by below option. These are the one syntax to check the page count. Site colon mydomain.com. My domain nothing but your domain name after .com. Is a very important syntax for check the page count. Is a very important option.